everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a very happy, healthy, and a very productive day today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking in. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Give it a thumbs up. If you really like this video, I really appreciate it. It does help out my channel since I am a growing YouTuber. You can also follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram information on the screen above and also in the description box below. So in today's video, I want to share with you a quick get ready with me makeup tutorial. For the most part, if you follow me on Instagram and see my YouTube videos, my makeup is pretty minimal. The only thing I really love playing around with are lip colors. I love oranges in the summer, in the spring, orange tints or lip glosses or pinks. I'm still trying to figure out. I haven't found like the perfect shade. But I do want to share with you a couple of things that I did pick up during the Sephora sale and just new things that I've picked up over the last couple of days or weeks. I'm just actually getting ready to meet my sister at a cafe. So I'm just going to do my makeup pretty minimally and pretty effortlessly for the rest of the day because I'm just going to be home. So, okay, let's get started. I have two moisturizers. So the first one that I usually always use is Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisturizer Cream. I was at Target a few days ago and I saw this one, so I wanted to try it. This is the Honest Beauty Hydrogel Cream. It claims to be quenching and cooling upon application, and let me tell you, it totally is. This doesn't have a cooling feeling on the face once you apply it, but this one totally does. So since I'm running out of this one, I think I'm just gonna finish a little bit of this one and mix it in. And then I go in with my primer. So I still have this primer. It's by 100% Pure. It's the mattifying primer with vitamins and antioxidants with seaweed collagen. It's a mattifying primer. So I usually just apply it on my T-zone, like around my nose, my forehead, where I get really shiny. Like this is where I always get really shiny. And then on my chin. And I do let that set for a few seconds. Okay, so now that that is on, I usually do my brows. So this is also from Sephora. This is the Milk Makeup Gel Brow, and this is in the color dark brown. Has a pencil on one side that you do have to sharpen, and then the other side is the spoolie. If you're looking for a spoolie and you don't have one, e.l.f. has a really nice lash and brow wand, and this one was honestly like $2. So I'm just gonna comb through my brows. I usually get them threaded, but I haven't done that in months because I've just been doing them at home. I like my eyebrows pretty natural. They're pretty sparse. Like if you see here, there's like a little bit of space here and here, especially on my left one. But other than that, I don't really do much. So I do like to outline it just a little bit and then just fill it in. And in the front, just to make it nice and even. Eyebrows are pretty much sisters, they're not twins. So I always have to work a little bit more on my left than I do on my right. It's my left one, that's annoying. I do like this pencil and I will repurchase it. I've never tried the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, but I heard it's amazing. I did have the YPT brow pencil before this one, and I liked the color, but it was very harsh on my eyebrows, and I would find my eyebrow hair falling, so I stopped using it, and I purchased this one because it's gel and it's a little bit softer. So now that I'm done with my brows and my primer is definitely set, I'm gonna go in with my Alima Pure Satin Matte Foundation, and I am in the color Warm 4. This is amazing. It's so clean. It blurs all imperfections on your face, blemishes, anything like that. It's really, really nice. It's super affordable too. This is probably like the second batch that I have gotten since I discovered them. So I usually go in with my Real Techniques powder foundation or just foundation brush. Next is concealer, and I did get these two at Sephora. And by the way, everything that I mentioned here is clean ingredients, obviously, you know. So I have two from Ilia. These are the True Skin Serum concealers. One of them is in Kava, which is SC3, and the other one is in SC2, which is Yucca. Yucca is way much lighter than this one. I usually use Kava for blemishes or like dark spots because it's the same color as my skin and my foundation. But to highlight and to brighten the face, I always use Yucca. I always put it inside the corner of my eye, on the outside corner of my eye, and right underneath, corners of my nose, sides of my mouth. Same thing on the other side. My eyelid, in the center of my forehead. All right, and lately I've been going in with this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, and I don't drag it, I just tap it. If you can see how bright that is compared to this, I guess you can't really tell, but honestly, in person, you totally can. You can see it right here, how bright it looks. This is a really good concealer. It does last all day. I've tried a few concealers, and this one so far has to be my favorite. And I would say my second favorite, if you don't feel like going to Sephora and buying it and you know you're more of like a Target person, I would recommend the Well People concealer. And it comes in a little tube. I'll insert a picture. I've used it on my channel many times, and it's amazing. What a difference. Okay, speaking of Well People, my Bio Base Baked Brightener in Universal Glow. I got this at Target too. I've been having this for a while, and I did hit pan, but I still have tons of product on the side, and I always use the same brush to just highlight where I placed my concealer. And you have heard me mention this bronzer so many times. I still have the same one, and it's the 100% pure cocoa pigmented bronzer, and this is in the shade Cocoa Kissed. I think they have two more shades, but this is pretty perfect. It's not red. I've made the mistake of buying bronzers with a red undertone, and it looks like I got lit on fire. So what I do is I'll take a little bit and I'll drag it in the perimeters of my face. And then whatever's extra on my brush, I usually just apply it on my nose. I don't like a powdery nose, and I do have freckles, and I try not to cover them up because that's just me. Okay, so for blush, I usually use two. Well, I have three, and they're all from Burt's Bees. So this one is old, and it's like a pinky color, and it's called Shy Pink, and the number 1210. I use this one, but not too much because I don't really have like a complementing lip. This is the other Burt's Bees that I love. I got it last year, and this is in the color Bare Peach, and it's in the number 1205. These are all from Target. Love this one. I love oranges. I use it all the time. And this other one that I do use a lot in the winter time is Velvet Wine in the number 1213. It's really pretty. But for today, since it's so gloomy out, I don't know, I just always gravitate towards this one, so I'm not surprised. I'm gonna go with Bare Peach. So for this one, I usually use a slanted brush like this. So I always apply in the apples of my cheek, and this does have a little bit of a sheen to it, like gold flecks in it. See how pretty that is? And I'll just fake smile, just to find my apples of my cheek. How pretty is that? Very subtle. My Beauty Counter Classic Eyeshadow Palette. I've been having this for about a year, and I hit pan on some of them. I'm not a big eyeshadow person, to be honest. That's why I haven't really picked up another one. I was eyeing some of the like the cleaner options on Sephora, but I don't know. It's like unnecessary money for me at this point. But anyway, so this is what I'm gonna do. So lately, what I do is I usually mix in ivory with suede and I'll apply that all over my lid. And with that fluffy brush, and I'm gonna I'm gonna tap suede and sable, and I'm just gonna put that on the outside of my eye. With the fluffy brush, just blend it. This is a really subtle, light makeup look, especially for the hot summer days coming along. You don't want your makeup dripping off your face. And it's nice to know that you have makeup on to enhance your face just a little bit, but it's still you. My Well People brown eyeliner, and I like to tight line. So we'll finish the bottom of the eyes after. So now I'm gonna go in with my Pixie by Petra Lash Line Ink. And this is in the color Velvet Cocoa, and is a velvet tip, and it's brown. I love brown eyeliner, especially for the summer. So I'm gonna make a very thin line, very close to my lash line. I just took it out to the end of my eye and I just stopped there. My mascara, and this is Milk Kush Mascara in the color Jet Black. It's not waterproof. I know they have a waterproof one, but I don't have that. This mascara is the best mascara I have ever used. Prior to this, my favorite mascara always in high school and after was the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, the one that comes like in a tan purplish tube and a gold cap. The best mascara, and this is the cleaner version of that. So if you're looking for something cleaner and you love L'Oreal and you just want to stay away from all those chemicals, then I would go with this. It's amazing. So I'm gonna do my eyelashes and I'll be right back. Okay, I just wanted to show you. So this is one coat of the mascara. That's literally one coat. They have grown a lot because I've been using the Dime Lash Serum. I always go back into my eyeshadow palette with the same brush, and I'll go into Suede and Sable just to make it a little bit darker. What is my problem today? My Pacifica eyeliner in the color Bare Nude. So I'm gonna just put that right under on my lower lash line. I still have this mascara. I didn't exactly love it for my top lashes, but I do love it for my lower lashes. And this is the Well People mascara, and this is in the color Black. So I like to go through my lower lashes. This new lipstick I am obsessed with, and this is the Bare Minerals Hydra Smoothing Lipstick in the color Focus. But before I do that, this lip liner is by their brand Zuzu Luxe. I got this at Target, but it's only available online. They do have it, or used to carry it, at Whole Foods, but I don't think all Whole Foods. Mine doesn't sell it anymore, so check yours out. This is clean ingredients. They have nail polishes. They have other makeup items too. And this is in the color Innocence. So I'm going to outline my lips. It's so pretty, it's so subtle. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to do before I go fix my hair, with a small tapered brush from Beauté Basics. I got this in a Groupon years ago. And I'm gonna go in with Ivory and I'm going to highlight my Cupid's bow. And then clean it up. I've been doing that lately and I love it. That is my makeup look. It's super basic and minimal, simple, clean ingredients, affordable as well, and it's just very easy to put on for pretty much any occasion. If you want to amp it up, maybe change your lip color. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. I really appreciate it if you did. I post new content every week, and also make sure to check out my Instagram page. I will see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.